Picture a world where the sea kisses the land, hosting a nursery of life, acting as a barrier against storms and serving as a purifier of waters. Welcome to the domain of the mangroves, nature's resilient architects that seamlessly blend the boundaries of land and sea into a vibrant tapestry of existence. Mangroves, found across the globe, are not merely forests adapting to saltwater. Their complex root systems not only provide a stable foundation against the tides, but also nurture marine life, creating a rich habitat for countless species. From the tropics' warmth to the temperate zone's fringes, mangroves exemplify resilience, significantly contributing to our fight against climate change by capturing carbon in their waterlogged soils. As we explore the ecological significance of mangroves, their threats, and conservation efforts, remember, mangroves embody more than arboreal life. They bridge our world's terrestrial and marine realms, underscoring the tenacity of life and underscoring their critical role in our planet's ecological and humanitarian health. Mangroves, standing majestically at the confluence of land and sea, extend beyond scenic wonders. They form a teeming crucible of biodiversity, offering sanctuary from microscopic life to majestic avians. Beyond being mere refuges, their root systems act as powerful coastal fortifications, mitigating erosion and protecting countless shorebound communities. Notably, mangroves excel in carbon sequestration, challenging climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide more efficiently than terrestrial forests. This underscores mangroves not just as environmental assets, but as indispensable allies in our climate mitigation efforts. As we prepare to delve into the threats challenging their existence, remember, their survival is pivotal, necessitating our immediate action for global climate health. Despite their pivotal role, mangroves face the specter of degradation, under siege by human encroachment and climate volatility. Deforestation for agriculture and urban development frays the fabric of these coastal defenders. Pollution, from chemical runoffs to plastic waste, threatens their delicate ecosystems, while climate change exacerbates sea level rise, menacing their very survival. These combined threats endanger not just the mangroves, but the myriad benefits they sustain. However, recognizing these threats marks the first step toward action. This acknowledgement propels us into the narrative of conservation, emphasizing that understanding the challenges is crucial for effective preservation efforts. Mangrove's story is one of environmental stewardship and collective resolve. Globally, a collaborative crusade is afoot to reverse the tide of environmental distress plaguing mangroves. Restoration and protection initiatives underscore the power of joint efforts, ranging from grassroots engagements to international pacts. These endeavors do more than rejuvenate these habitats. They aim to strengthen them against impending threats. Community participation crystallizes the essence of conservation, transforming it from a concept to tangible action. Through educational outreach and hands-on conservation, we underscore a shared responsibility, fostering a world where humans live in harmony with nature. This collective journey of mangrove preservation highlights a future where protecting these ecosystems is not just an ambition, but a global imperative, weaving a narrative of hope, resilience, and concerted action. As our exploration of the mangroves concludes, we're beckoned to action. Our individual and collective efforts can nurture these indispensable ecosystems. By championing conservation initiatives, we're advocating for biodiversity, climate resilience, and the legacy of future generations. Engage, educate, and participate in stewarding these unique environments. Your involvement can shift the balance from risk to revival. As guardians of our planet's mangroves, we each hold a pivotal role, marrying concern with action to safeguard the health of our planet and the prosperity of communities around the world.